Good morning, YouTube. Well, off to do some fishing on Kim Basket. I'll probably throw a little video together for you guys here. Should be a nice day, nice clear skies. For the most part, thunder showers this afternoon possibly, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, see you guys out on the water. Let's go. There goes Kelly, Denise, and Ian. We're a dual boat fish trip today. All right, guys, we're on the boat heading up the lake, and we'll talk to you in a little while. Say hi to Chris. Hey. Big fish coming up. Well, that was cool how he hit, eh?
Yeah, it was like dip.
Nice. Great spot for it too. Oh yeah. Right, guys, first fish of the day coming in. If it remains on that hook. Small little hooks out here for these rainbows. Imagine that right in the middle, eh? All that shoreline, and then all of a sudden, boom. Oh, he saw the net. Okay.
Got him?
Almost. Nice.
Well done, thank you.
Whew. He saw the net and he was freaking out. He's like, I am out of here. All right. Get your pliers. That's a nice fish.
Yeah, it is. Nice.
Yeah, dude. What is it, cedar? Is it fishy? Hey, what is it? Yeah, you can smell them. Hey, what is it? She's new to fishing, so she's trying to sort it out in her brain. Wake you up, Cedar? Oh, I thought I just maybe had a bite. I am sucking so far, but Chris is on his game. Finally, I got a fish on. Chris is killing me out here so far. Little scrapper, not very big. Oh, you got one on. Double header. Nice, got a double header going on here. Oh, now he's gonna scrap a little. Oh, this might be a little rainbow. Yeah. Little rainbow. 12 inches, I mean, that's not bad. 10 inches probably. Yeah, let's get him out of here. Down he goes. All right, back at her. Finally, that was 2 laps around this bay without me getting a bite. Oh, that's an edible fish. I can tell by that head shake.
Yeah, it's definitely. She's a doozy. Still taking line.
Nice.
Come on.
Oh yeah, look at the size of that on those shakes. Nice job. That's a nice fish, Chris. I think that's bigger than the last one.
Yeah?
Yep. It's deeper. It's a deeper, bigger fish. Good job.
You're helping much, or?
Yeah. She's being pretty good about it.
Thank you.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, that's a nice fish.
Oh, fuck yeah.
I tighten my drag and he's taking line. Oh, I need to get him in a bit or I'm not going to have enough to let him run. Come on, baby. Oh, dude. Oh.
He's on there.
I think he's hooked good.
Yeah. Let me know when you need me.
Okay, I'm still a ways out because he keeps taking what I take in. Nice. Oh.
That's a nice one.
Oh. I didn't even see him come out back there, but I know he did. Is he foul hooked? It looks weird.
Why did you say that?
I know. Just I saw his underside, but he's just rolling. He's not giving up yet. Yeah, just do that. Just come toward me. Okay, we're getting close.
Okay, well, I'm on the other side of the boat.
Oh,
I'm right behind the cab.
that's a nice fish. About the same as yours, I'm thinking. Oh, he's scrappy. And we got boat direction change to make. That's a scrappy little fish. No, come on. Yeah, it was hooked right.
Oh, crispy biscuits.
Reasonable, hey?
Oh, he's a keeper.
All right, guys. 5-10 minutes later here, and another something on.
In my line, or you're getting bites?
Oh, I got a feeling I'm...
Hold on.
Oh, I think we're hooked.
Yeah, we are.
Okay. We got a nice fish on, and it wrapped itself in my line, I think. Or I got the fish, and Chris thinks he has it. Let's see whose hook it's on.
Oh, and as it turns out, there is no fish on your line?
No, I don't think so. I don't think I got it, guys. I think Chris has it. Let him go. Oh, yeah. Nice. Another kin basket rainbow, guys.
What is coming out of them?
I don't know, but this thing's unscrewing. The one had little eggs in it.
He's nice, eh?
He's off the hook already.
Oh, he's nice.
Dude. Kin basket rainbows, baby. Starting to get hot out, boys. And I'm gonna start cleaning fish and bust a ride back for camp. Lake is staying calm, which is really nice. Wake up, Cedar. Did you have a good sleep, hey? Hey? You having fun? Yeah. Home sweet home, boys. Not a bad day, caught some fish. Well, guys, not a bad day
Yes, I have. Yeah, it's been good.
on the Kim basket. Fire's still burning near Golden. We have a couple of fires up in here, hence the smoke. Yeah. Hey, boys.
Gary.
What? Hey? Kin basket rainbow, boys. Not so bad, not so
Nice.
bad.
What about the girls that watch your channel?
There are no girls that watch my channel. Well, there's one from Radium that watches. Yeah, there's probably 5 of you chicks out there. Right there. All right, boys, girls. Chris is tagged into one. There's a becoming shot of the old fella.
Get some cover to him, eh?
Yeah.
Gotta like it. Not a bad day. Cedar, we got another fish. Yeah, we do. He's a good girl. Fin
Another
again.
yellowfin.
Very nice, Chris. Hey, that's a decent fish. That's bigger than my second one. Good job, man. Very nice. Alright guys, we'll go get the truck. Back the trailer down. Yank the boat out. It's the cabin. Not a bad day. Throw it in the 4 low. Audible click. Deep little boat ramp here. Not very wide at the bottom, just wide enough. Got a natural spring comes up in the road here. Right about there, boys. See all the smoke. Could be worse. It was worse. A couple days after the fire, I'll probably go in and have a look at it. See what we think. See how the boss does bringing this in. Christopher. Miami boat ramps right here. Almost like he knew what he was doing. right, guys, there we go, just like that. First time Johnson. Drag her up the hill. Yeah, it's not our first rodeo, Chris and I. It's a good day too. Fishing's been quiet for a couple weeks. It's nice to go out and get some decent rainbows. Probably had 3 or 4 small kokanee, half a dozen or more, not hell more than that, probably about 8 small rainbows, released them. Chris had a tank on at one point, really nice rainbow, probably from what we could see when he had it. Well, he had 200 feet of line out and that rainbow stripped 160 in the time it took to get from the front of the boat to the back. And he probably reeled in 100 feet of line and he got off and it was jumping high and stuff. Sorry I didn't video of any of that, but I just didn't. But that one got off, and then we got a few more nice rainbows, probably 12 inches or so. Let those ones go, probably 3 or 4 of those, and kept the 15 inchers. So 3 15 inchers on the boat. I let a 14 incher go after I'd cleaned up the 15 inchers. So yeah, all in all, nice day, guys. But might take you out and have a look at where this fire burned. But I'm on holidays, so I don't know if I'll do that yet or not. I should do a little bit of an update, but said we were going out to the cabin after the fire, and here we are. All right, guys, well, not a bad day of fishing. We didn't limit out, but we did really well. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that video, and yeah, that Canadian dude, over and out. See you in the next one.